Right, just a quick wee update of the Honda CRF450. The problem with the head I went to the machine shop the other day and it was bad news. The head is scrap. There is a crack. As suspected, there's a crack up there. See, that's been welded in the past. So I thought, with that being cracked and all the valve seats being done, I thought I'll get another head. So I managed to get a near enough brand new head for it. It's a cracker and I got it a good price. So, and I've got a box of goodies as well. So I think I've got other parts for it, so I'll be cracking on with that shortly. Good news.